Hey guys. So basically what I'm doing now is mixing 4 different hair fibers, which namely color 1, color 33, 27 and 24, to get a more natural blend, as you can see. This is my hair prior to braiding. I've already washed and sectioned my hair and I've just braided it to get it to stretch out. Drum rolls please. So I've already braided the back of my hair and I'll be doing the front now, and I'll also be using this opportunity to show you guys how I did the braids. But if you guys would like a video on how I get the back done, do say that in the comment down below and I'll be sure to get a video out for you guys. So I'll basically be using ISO Plus styling gel for the lining and for my hair, so it does not flake all over the place and blend better with the hair fiber. Let's get into it. So step number 1 is basically to do the line of your braid, and for this one I'm doing half moons, they say, but it's random portions. I just want the line to be straight and I do not want the hair in one place to fill up in one place. I want it to close the entire head, hence why I'm using this pattern. After sectioning the hair, basically keep the other hair apart, so you could use like a hair clip for this, or a hairband, a pony. And so I'll just take a good amount of gel to slick it throughout my entire hair before braiding it. So basically what I'm doing is removing the portion of hair fiber that I'll be using for this braid, and that hair fiber I'm separating it into 2 portions, one a bit smaller than the other, and you use the smaller portion first. So then I braid. So I firstly braid my hair into a single knot, and then I put in the thinner hair fiber first. From the front, I tuck it in and let loose of the other one, and tuck it in from the bottom as well. And I braid that in, and then I add in the other portion hair fiber that I separated, and I add that in from the bottom as well. And I braid, let loose, and add the other half of that portion in from the bottom as well. And then from there we just braid all the way down until the hair. And as you can see, because my hair is a bit damp and I used hair gel, you cannot really see much of my natural hair, and I didn't have to blow dry it out as well. Benefits, 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 girls. first braid my hair into a single knot before I add in the first hair fiber, which I add in from the bottom, and I would braid and then add the other side of the hair fiber into the bottom of the next braid, and then after that I would add in the second hair fiber which I parted from the first one, also adding it to the bottom and then braiding that knot up. And after braiding the knot, I would let go of the other end of that hair fiber and braid it into the bottom of the second knot. Ten hours later, so I'm basically done. I left with the last one, so I wanted to show you guys for the last time how I got the Knotless braid done. So firstly, I section my hair into 3 and I do a single or a double knot. For this case I did a single knot, and then I add in the smaller hair portion and I braid it in, adding it from the bottom, and then I add the other half in from the bottom as well. So you basically just hold the other half in your other hand while you're putting the other one in from the bottom. Like, I hold it with my pinky, as you can see here, and I put in the other one into the hair. I add it with my hair on that braid at the bottom, then I let go of the one I was holding with the pinky and I put it into the bottom as well with my hair and continue braiding it for that seamless knotless braid look. And if you've reached here until the video, thank you very much. And if you learned something, you like it, please do share it and save a sister a good bug, since we're all in festive season, you know. And don't forget to leave a comment below on what hairstyle you are rocking this festive season, and do follow me on my social media account Adepreia on everything, Facebook, Instagram, and a girl should try Twitter out as well. But yes, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and now be sure to look out for your comments on what you all are rocking this festive season. So do hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and comment what hairstyle will be rocking this season. And do not forget to share, sister. You could just be saving someone a good 450, to save an extra Christmas tree.